Hmm. Looks like the coffee is ready. I hope I didn't wake him getting out of bed to get the kettle on. Good morning, sweetie. I brought you a nice steaming cup of coffee to help you wake up. Go on. Sit up already. I don't want you to spill this all over yourself in your sleep-deprived state. God. This just hits the spot, you know? Nothing perks me up more than a cup of coffee. I hope you don't mind I took the liberty of lighting a fire already. Figured we could get some breakfast going after last night. If you catch my drift. I'm so glad you suggested taking a vacation when you did. I'm probably even more surprised your boss let you take any vacation with the way the company has been giving you the runaround. You were looking pretty worn out, babe. I know you always say, I can handle it. I'm a big, strong man. But I'm glad. I'm glad you finally broke down that tough, alpha-like exterior with me and let me see your vulnerable side. You reached out and asked for help. And it takes a lot of guts to do that, you know? Such a good boy you are. No, it's not degrading when I do it to you. It's when you call a Wolfgirl a good girl and pat her head like a puppy. That's when it's considered degrading. My tail was not wagging that much, mister. I'm glad you were able to get the week off. We can finally spend some time together. Just the two of us, you know? You can recharge a bit and gather your strength while I snuggle up and steal your warmth at night. Why don't I just take these cute little coffee mugs and put them off to the side for a bit? I think we need some more one-on-one time. Why don't you sit up a bit and I'll just slip behind you. And we'll give you some much needed TLC. All right? That's it. Such a good boy for me. Now then, maybe I'll start treating this worn down body to some light, affectionate body kisses and back scratches. Let me just trail my lips and tongue all over your jaw gently. Help you relax your facial expression from a hardened alpha into my cute human mate once more. Okay? Maybe I'll give these cute little human ears some attention too. Perhaps give your earlobe a little nibble. And then now, down each side of your neck and shoulders. close. Very slowly. If you aren't careful, I might just nip at you lightly. Make sure the other girls back at the office know exactly who you belong to. Such a good boy. That's it. Relax. Let go all that stress and tension you're holding on to. Feel your loving Wolfgirl's claws slowly scratch away all your troubles. I'm so glad we get to spend time like this, even if it's for a short time. I've missed you so much that I sometimes would grab your hoodie and kidnap it the night before so I could just feel like I was close to you again. I missed your famous waffles and fresh coffee you always make. It's all the little things that make me miss you so much. I just want you to know how much you mean to me. And not just in a provider sort of way, 'cause I am a wolf after all. I can hunt and scavenge for myself, but companionship and skinship is hard to come by. I'm just so glad to have you in my life, and I just want to give back to you what you've provided for me over the years. Shh. It's okay. You don't have to say anything. Just let my fingers and claws cascade through your hair, down over your ears, gently over your chest. That's it. Deep, even breaths. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Good boy. Thanks again for this, babe. Now, why don't we finish off the little bit of coffee we still have in our mugs from earlier and snuggle up a bit before breakfast, huh? You can have a nice, hot, relaxing shower, and then maybe you can make those amazing waffles. Oh, and we definitely need to make some nice, thick, crispy bacon to go with it. Nothing goes better with waffles than bacon. Chicken? Are you insane? Who has chicken and waffles together? Just rest your head against my chest and go back to sleep a little longer. Okay?